SMTP email. Error 513, 515, 517. How to resolve. Solved. Warmy blog. SMTP email errors 513, 515, and 517 present unique challenges, often accompanied by specific error messages that help pinpoint the root causes. Understanding these messages is crucial for effective problem resolution. These SMTP email errors can arise from various sources, each affecting different stages of the email process. Knowing the typical causes behind each error can aid in accurate diagnosis and quick fixes. Starting with error 513, it usually indicates an issue with the recipient's email address format. This error suggests that the email address entered might be incorrect or improperly formatted. Error 515 often points to a problem with the recipient's mailbox. It could mean that the mailbox is unavailable, possibly due to server issues, or that the email account does not exist. Error 517 generally signals a problem with the sender's domain. This could be due to issues like domain blacklisting or problems with the sender's email authentication protocols. For Gmail users, fixing these errors often involves updating the email address, checking for typos, or verifying the recipient's email server status. Ensure that all email authentication settings are correctly configured. Outlook users might need to review their email account settings, ensure that the recipient's address is valid, and check for any server-side restrictions impacting email delivery. Yahoo users should verify the recipient's email address accuracy, check for any potential blocks, and ensure that their sender's email domain is properly authenticated. To prevent SMTP email errors like 513, 515, and 517, use Warmy.io. It gradually boosts email volume from new accounts, improving their reputation and avoiding spam flags. With extensive deliverability testing and authentication features, it ensures effective communication while minimizing issues. By identifying the specific causes behind SMTP errors 513, 515, and 517 and following targeted steps tailored for Gmail, Outlook, and Yahoo, users can resolve these issues and improve their overall email communication. If you found this enjoyable, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons before you go. Stay tuned for more exciting updates.